Hello and welcome to once again to Seagull International weekly live session. We are excited to discuss the latest recruitment opportunities and overseas placement. Hi, I am Jyotidas Thakkar, AGM at Seagull International, and I am thrilled to be joined by Mr. Lalit Moria, our General Manager. Before we dive into today's exciting opportunity, let's take a moment to reflect on Seagull's remarkable journey. For over 40 years, Seagull has been trusted name in overseas recruitment. In less than 4 decades, we have become one of India's largest and most reliable workforce provider. Seagull is an ISO certified global human resource consultant approved by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. Let's go back to our branches. So we have our branches across Pan India: Kochi, New Delhi, Baroda, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata. We also have our international presence. It's in Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, Lithuania, and UK. Now I'm excited to introduce our newly launched job portal, seagalljobsforyou.com. Simply scan the QR code on your screen to land your dream job. We have also expanded our social media pages so you can stay connected with us on the Facebook app. So you can scan this QR code on your screen. We will hold the screen for a few seconds and you can scan this code and you will be connected with our Facebook page. So in this social media pages, we keep posting all the interview drives, update, latest requirement we have. So it helps you to stay connected with us. We also have our Telegram page, so same, it's you have to scan this code and our Telegram page will open and you can follow us on Telegram as well. We also have our presence on Instagram, so you can scan the Instagram page, the QR code, and you will get our page. We keep posting on Instagram as well. We also have our domestic platform, which is Seagull Staffing Group. This platform is exclusive for people who are interested to work in domestic market, which is in India. So if you are interested to work in India, you can scan this QR code and you will get all the opportunities for India in this app. So let's dive into the first requirement we have for Abu Dhabi. So we are hiring for Abu Dhabi international companies for their oil and gas shutdown project. So this is a free requirement and this will be an online interview. We are hiring for multi QC inspectors, C sweep and plus B gas we want for this position. For painting QC inspector, we are requiring for B gas only. So these are the minor requirement we have. Next is for Abu Dhabi for their oil and gas offshore project. This is again a free requirement. We are looking for welding foreman and fabrication foreman. Candidate with diploma in mechanical engineer, we are hiring for them. Minimum 5 years of experience in offshore job. We are preferring ADNOC candidate who have worked in that. And if you have these experience, you can submit your profile to any of our branches, or else you can submit your profile at resume1 at the seagull hr.com, and we will review your profile and get back to you. The position is exactly same, the company is same, welding foreman, fabrication foreman. Candidate who are near to Chennai, they can visit our Chennai brand, or else you can submit your profile at Single Chennai, or else you can just drop your profile. So next is for Abu Dhabi for their oil and gas construction project. This is for the online interview. We are hiring for site manager civil. Candidate with degree in civil engineer with 15 years of experience in oil and gas construction project, with proven track record of managing multi-million dollar project. So if you have such experience, you can submit your profile to resume1 at the seagullhrs.com. So next is for Oman for oil and gas project. This will be for a long-term project, and we're having this interview virtually. We are hiring for supervisor rigging, and we are also looking for a supervisor workshop. For rigging, we need BE with 7 years and with diploma 10 years, and same goes to supervisor workshop. If you have experience in rigging and workshop, you can submit your profile to resume1 at the seagallindia.net, or else you can walk into our any branches, since this is a virtual interview. So next is for Abu Dhabi. This is again for an online interview. This will be a free requirement, and we need candidate who are interested to travel immediately. We are hiring for instrument technician, machinist, mechanical technician, senior safety equipment technician, valve technician, and assistant valve technician. All candidates should have relevant oil and gas experience in Gulf countries. Candidate must have good communication skill, reading, writing, responding, and understanding. So they need basic communication and in English. So if you have worked in Gulf country, candidate well to know these kind of thing. So if you have experience, you can submit your profile at sigaluae 2025 at the gmail.com, or else you can submit the profiles to any of our branches. Next is for bar and job. The company name is Have Block 1. The requirement is for an international company for their architectural metal fabrication with an high quality furnitures, shoplifting, shop fitting for their following positions. So basically, they are looking for upholsters or sofa makers. The interview will be in Mumbai. So if you are near to Mumbai, you can submit your profile to our head office with your past experience with all the certifications. We will update you the date of interview. So you can walk into our office, or you can submit the profile email address mentioned below. Next is for Saudi Arabia's. We are hiring for diesel mechanic, auto electrician, auto AC electrician, generator technician. Candidate should have experience in crane and heavy equipment. That's the only criteria for Saudi. And if you are working with these kind of experience, you can submit your profiles, or you can walk into our offices, and they will update you about the interview date and venue exact dates for this position. Next is for Saudi Arabia's. This is again an online interview. We are hiring for electrical technicians, foreman, and structural. Candidate must have experience in construction company. So if you have these experience, you can submit your profile to any of our branches, and our branch people will review your profile. If it is relevant, they will update you about the salary packages, interview dates, everything at the time of submission of profiles. Next is for Kuwait for their international project for MEW water RO plant maintenance project. This is again a free requirement, and we're having this interview virtually. So we are hiring for instrument and control engineer, senior instrument technician, instrument and control technician. Candidate with GCC experience in maintenance project, preferably with RO plant, will be preferred. If you have these experience, you can submit your profile, and you can walk into any of our branches. They will update you about the process. The position and company is exactly same, but this is for Kochi also. If people candidates who are interested and nearby Kochi, they can submit your profile at Kochi branch, and our team from Kochi will review your profile and update you about the dates. This is exactly the same requirement. And if you are in Mumbai, you can submit to our head office, and we will review the profile and update you with the date of interview. So next is for Kuwait. This is a 6-month maintenance project. Rotating equipment, generator, and turbine. This is again a free requirement, and the position are a requirement in large number. We are having this online interview. We are hiring for mechanical engineer turbine, mechanical supervisor turbine and generator, mechanical technicians. We are also hiring for mechanical engineer, supervisor, technicians with rotating equipments. So if you have these of experience with GCC experience and maintenance of turbine and generator or rotating equipment, you will be the right person for this job. So you can submit your profile at resume1 at the rate seagullhr.com, or else you can walk into any of our branches, and you can update the date of interview. We will also update you about the salary structures and other details. So next is for Oman. This is again a free requirement, and we're having this virtual interview. So we are hiring for light duty driver, and gardener. The salary bracket is given on the screen. We are looking for a driver for a VVIP clients in driving high and luxury vehicles. The short description of each position is on the screen. So we are also looking for valid driving license of GCC, but not from Saudi, but other we can consider. For gardener, we need a skilled gardener, and a small specification is on the screen. If candidates are interested for these positions, they can submit their profile, and you can also apply from anywhere since it is an online interview. And they have also mentioned that accommodation and food will be provided, and they will also give you a yearly vacation with two ways ticket, and rest as per the Oman laws. So next is for Qatar job. This is again for a leading contracting company for their oil and gas project. This is again an online interview. We are hiring for project manager, scaffolding and painting. Candidate with degree or diploma engineering with 10 to 15 years of experience in oil and gas industry can apply for this job. We also have a mandatory clause that candidate should be capable of handling scaffolding and painting. So if you have worked in such profiles in past, so you can submit your profile along with the relevant document. We will review the profiles and will get back to you for the interview date. Next is for Abu Dhabi for online interview. We are hiring for candidate who are interested to join immediately. This position we have read in past PPT. So I'll note it down. It's instrument technician, machinist, mechanical technician, valve technician, and valve assistant valve mechanic. So candidate with oil and gas experience in Gulf countries can apply for this job. Okay, so next is for Qatar for their social media company. This is again an online interview. We are looking for rigid box makers, kappa board fabricators, Kamuri machine operator. So, if you have worked in these positions, you can submit your profile in the email address mentioned below. Also, you can submit your profile to any of our branches in Pan India. We will review your profile and will update you about the salary packages, online interview dates, and rest information. So last is for Oman for EPC company for their oil and gas shutdown project. This is again a free requirement, and we are having this interview online. We are hiring for safety advisors, safety engineers, unit in charge, valve and column, unit in charge SCU, and Primavera's P6 scheduler. These are some positions we are hiring for Oman. We are looking for candidate with GCC experience in oil and gas. If you have such experience and you are interested for Oman, you can submit your profile to the email address mentioned below. Our team will review your profile. If it is suitable, they will get back to you with the interview date. The next is for Qatar jobs. Okay, we are looking for supply and turnkey service for an industrial insulation company. This is again a free requirement, and we are looking for a candidate who can move like travel immediately for their long-term project. This is for an HSC officer with minimum 5 years of experience in oil and gas industry, and we are also looking for candidate who can communicate well. Client will offer accommodation and transportation. So if you are interested for Qatar, you can submit your profile at seagullqatar2025 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so that's it from my side. I have read all the slides which belong to me. There are another set of requirements which Mr. Lalit will.
Okay, good afternoon, friends. Namaste. And so I'll begin with my set of requirement. This is for Qatar long-term project and 100% free recruitment. Very soon we are conducting this client interview here in Bombay or Chennai or Cochin or Baroda. We are looking for production of operator for offshore project, and it will be a rotational basis 28 by 28. And shortlisting is in process. If any candidates are interested, kindly forward their resume. We will shortlist your profile and soon we will finalize the interview venue for the interview. Company is very good, one of the leading company in Qatar, and salary package all you can see the salary is 400 Qatari riyal per day plus food, accommodation, transport, everything company will give you. We have another requirement for QCon Qatar, and very soon we are conducting this interview in Chennai, Bombay, and Baroda. We are looking for shutdown manager, lead shutdown execution manager, turnaround planning engine manager, turnaround scheduler, planners. All these candidates should have Prime Villa 6 P6 experience. Plus, they should have oil and gas experience. It's 100% free recruitment, and once you're selected, we'll process your visa immediately. It's the same interview, same company requirement. We are conducting this interview in Cochin. If any candidates available in the Kerala, they can approach our Cochin office and submit their profile. And apart from that, in Chennai, we have this QCon interview for this document controller, QAQC manager, SSC manager, rigging superintendent, material coordinator, coordinator logistic, coordinator work permit, static equipment coordinators. These all categories also will be there at the time of interview in Chennai. If any candidates having this experience, they can come and attend this interview. At the time of interview in Cochin, we have this additional requirement. We are looking for piping superintendent, QA, QAQC engineers, welding inspector, document controllers, wall coordinator, rigging supervisors, and safety officers. These are the additional requirement. If anyone having this experience, please forward your resume. We will line up you at the time of QCon interview, which we are going to be conduct in Chennai, Cochin, and Bombay. This is the same requirement. As I said, this intro will be in Chennai. So this is our Chennai artwork. All these requirements will be same. This is our Mumbai advertisement. If any candidates are available and interested and able to attend the interview in Bombay, they can forward their resume at given email ID. Our team will shortlist your profile and then notify you whenever there will be interview. Yeah, this is the same requirements. We are conducting this interview in Cochin. We have this requirement in Bombay: piping superintendent, QA/QC engineers, welding inspector, document controller, wall coordinator, rigging supervisors, and safety officers. If anyone available here in Bombay, they can attend this interview whenever the QCon interview here in Bombay. Friends, we have one more requirement for QCon, that is for the lead worker. We are looking for a huge number of lead worker, and mid of June or first week of June there will be a client interview, and all the candidates should have 3 to 5 years of experience. English communication, read and writing they should know. Without that, company will not shortlist your profile. Plus, there at the time of interview there will be 3 to 4 days interview session also. They will give you proper training, and after all this training there will be a final round of interview. So if any candidate are interested and they are looking for their career for QCAM with the QCon, they are most welcome. Please forward their resume. We will shortlist your profile. We will give you one chance. We will give you training, and after training you need to qualify the interview. It's 100% free recruitment, very good salary, transport, food, everything given by the company. Friend, this is again QCon requirement. We have another shutdown requirement very soon. We are conducting this interview, and we are looking for senior document controller, QAQC manager, HSC manager, ranking superintendent, material controller, logistic coordinator, work permit coordinator, and static equipment coordinator. This is again QCon requirement. This interview we are conducting in Chennai and Cochin. So this is our Cochin advertisement. If anyone available in Cochin, they can forward their resume at below email ID. Our Cochin team will shortlist their profile and they will call you for the interview. And this is our Bombay advertisement. If anyone available here in Bombay, kindly forward their resume at given email ID. Our Bombay team will shortlist your profile and they will call you for the interview. Friends, we have this requirement for ABJ Company Kuwait, and this interview we are conducting in Baroda, Bombay, Chennai, and Cochin. And we are looking for a large number of people for their oil and gas project. Like we are looking for senior mechanic, those having static equipment experience, rotating mechanic, a mechanical fitter, instrument fitter, electrical fitter, cable jointer mat, industrial hygienist, draftsman, site storekeeper. All the candidates they should have 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience. Plus, company will give you a very good salary. This is for the QC North Kuwait project, maintenance project. In addition to that, we are looking for senior condition monitoring technician, vibration and data trading, technical reliability, senior instrument technician, instrument analyzer, instrument workshop instrument technician for planning, senior electrical technician for planning, senior electrical technician for the protection department, and senior mechanical technician. Those having maximum software experience. Plus, in that mechanical engineer maximum experience, electrical engineer with maximum experience, instrument engineer with the maximum experience, mechanical supervisor, instrument engineer, instrument supervisor, senior mechanical technician planning, charge and mechanical rotating equipment, charge and mechanical survey. All these requirements related to oil and gas experience candidates only we are considering, and these all are the ABJ Kuwait requirement for their QOC Northgate maintenance project. In addition to that, we have in that welder, SS welder, fabricator, scaffolder, rigger, spray painter, grid plaster, labor, insulator, auto technician, auto electrician, petrol mechanics. This all are the requirement including in that. Plus, the similar requirement we have interview in Chennai. This is our Chennai artwork. If any candidates interested in Chennai, they can go to our Chennai office or forward or email their resume at given email ID, or they can contact our representative or our coordinator. They will assist you for the interview. This all the same requirement for Chennai location. Is again same requirement. Actually, what the if we combine all the requirements, it become very huge. That's the reason we split it into four part so that candidates can easily understand and accordingly they can forward their resume to the respective our team. So this all the same requirement for their maintenance department. Next, yeah, this is the same which we discussed, the same requirement, but interview will be in Chennai. So if any candidates staying in South India, they can approach at our Chennai office or they can call all these phone mobile numbers. Our Chennai team will help you for this job. It's again the same requirement. Next. Okay, friends, we have this requirement for Qatar long-term project, and tomorrow we have interview at Anup Tech Baroda. This is for a QCon project, and we are looking for structural foreman, piping foreman, structural fabricator, and piping fabricator. Is 100% free recruitment. Salary you can see very good salary they are giving. All the candidates should have 3 to 5 years of experience. If any candidates are available in Gujarat, please contact at the below number. Our team will be there. They will support you for the interview as well as trade test. There is no money charge for the trade test. It's a 100% free recruitment. Okay, this stand from my side. Okay, any query? Imran Khan, mechanical engineer or supervisor. Imran, if you have the oil and gas experience, please forward your resume. We have few requirements for our oil and gas company, so definitely we will do something for you. Civil site engineer, no boss. At this moment, we don't have any mechanical, any civil requirement. But you keep following up our all the social media pages. I'm sure in coming weeks we will going to post some requirement, civil related requirement. Mohammed Imran, Mohammed Yusuf, do you have any vacancy for plumbing supervisors? We have one interview tomorrow for Kuwait. If you are available, please visit our Bombay office and attend this interview. Jahangir Alam, yes, we have requirement for MIG welder. Kindly report our office. Fire watchers also we have requirement for a few of the shutdown. Please visit our Bombay office or forward your resume. Okay, viewers, we'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
A big thank you to Mr. Lalit for joining us today and helping us conducting this live session a very success. If you would like to visit us in person, our Mumbai headquarter address is on your screen. The address along with the contact details and email address. So we'll go ahead with our branches. So we're having our branches in Baroda and Delhi. Their contact details, email address along with the address is on the screen. Next is for Baroda and Delhi, Vizag and Kolkata, Kochi and Chennai. So we also have our WhatsApp community. If you would like to be updated about all the requirement drive, upcoming interview campaigns, the hot position we are hiring, we keep posting in the WhatsApp group. So you can scan the QR code and you will get our WhatsApp page and you will be updated about the details we are hiring about everything on this platform. So thank you all viewers for tuning us with us today. You can find all the branches details, contact information on our website also. Simply click on the apply button for the positions you want to apply, and you can upload your profiles on our website also. At Seagull, we are proud to have that 80 to 90% of the candidate approaches directly without any middle person. So stay connected with us on our social media pages and engage with us directly. Remember, our session happens every Friday at 3 p.m. and we will be hosting sessions in regional languages soon. Stay connected with us on all these social media pages. Thank you. See you next week.